I think that the hype and the attention that VPN solutions have received recently started with the revelations that we've had in the years past about how people are being spied upon, even by their governments, and also the dangers that people face when trying to whistleblow or trying to share information about from their oppressive regimes. Whenever there was a revolution in a country and the government would try to crack down upon it, people would try to reach out to the outer world and share what was happening in their country, and they were afraid to do that. Um, and this brought a lot of attention on VPN solutions. This brought a lot of attention on VPN solutions because these VPN solutions provided the people of those countries with a way to share information about what was happening there. Also, I'm going to come back to the privacy part. We've had so much information and so many things in the media about how governments spy on their people, about how hackers spy on people, about how many other entities spy on people. And this has been increasingly amplified by both the media and the outrage of people that were first learning about it. And this fueled the need for a solution, and VPN became that solution to prevent spying on people.
You know that one part of analytics collection pertains to sale of advertisements, of targeted ads, of things that people will subliminally use to purchase stuff. And what best of a solution would be than one that's freely available in a coffee shop, maybe part of a mall, right? Where in exchange of you using an access point, you will get a free cookie into your browser that could track you across shops in that mall. What better way to understand the purchasing habits or other private information pertaining to the user than tracking what domains they are using on their phone or on their mobile phone while browsing the internet. Maybe they're more of the social people, and then the internet service provider of the coffee shop owner will see DNS requests being sent to Facebook.com or any other social network. And they will infer, oh, this person is very active on social media. Even if their understanding of what's happening in our devices will be different when looking with the naked eye, when that information gets sent to an artificial intelligence algorithm, they will be able to infer much more about who we are and what we're about to do just by looking at what websites we are accessing. So one thing that the VPN actually helps here with is forwarding DNS requests to the server that we are using as an exit node. So the internet service provider, or in this case, the free Wi-Fi provider, will not be able to see neither the data that we're sending it, nor the source, the origin of the data that's being sent. So we have full privacy when we're navigating a potentially hostile environment.